Hi guys, my name is Eran. I want to introduce our new innovation that's going to a little bit surprise you. This is our new display, as you see, 6.5 TFT display. The display arrived with the throttle, speed throttle, and operation system, and it's matching the Inokim OX. It's an amazing idea. You take the waterproof connection from the main cable, just connect it inside, turn on the main cable, turn on, and use the TFT. As you see here, it's a huge display. Show you the speed, open the speed limit, and start from 0. You have 3 levels, 1, 2, 3, and look what's happening here. Actually, to reach this speed, you will need to buy our new generation 6 or controller. But anyway, you can use it on your original display, but without all the maximum speed as you see now. See you guys.